The BLATIGUE-2 project is led by D2 Wind Energy. It's an extension or follow-up project on BLATIGUE-1, which was a great success because we developed a fatigue test method which is better than current standard tests, and with R&D we also developed an exciter that actually can test the blades. But we also realized a lot of things in BLATIGUE-1 that there's a great need for continuing this work. And in BLATIGUE-2 we will combine the exciter and the tools, the software, into making a smart exciter. So the exciter will, with software, know how to test a blade. And not just how to test it, but also get feedback during testing so it can respond to changes in the actual blade and optimize the whole testing process, and also document or report it after the test.